Okay, so now let's talk about functions. In Python, a function is a group of related statements that perform a specific task. Functions help to break our program into smaller and modular chunks, making our program more organized, manageable, and reusable. In this video, I will cover the definition of functions, arguments, return statements, scope, and lambda functions. Let's start by creating a new Python file. I will name it functions. In Python, functions are defined by using the def keyword. Here is the syntax for creating a function. Def function name, parameters, statements. And here is the definition of our function. At first, we have a keyword def. After that, we've got our function name and a list of parameters. And here we can have one statement or many statements that do something with parameters. Okay, let's see an example function that adds two numbers. I will delete what I have just created. Def add numbers x, y, and I will use a keyword return, which returns the sum of x and y. Okay, let's see how it works. We start reading at numbers 10, 11, and also I can put a variable. So in z we will have the sum of these two numbers, and let's print the z. Okay, I will run the functions file. And yes, we can see the result is 21.